Hey everybody, this is Aaron Kraft, Weichert Realtors Unlimited. I'm here today to give you your 1 Minute Monday. This is for new agents and agents looking to maybe change firms. We want to give you a couple of tips and ideas to help out your career. So let's get started. I want to start off with a series looking at the top 10 things that I think new agents need to know. So let's get started. So number 10 on that list is simply, you don't have to be good, but you do have to be there. All right, so that's a quote from David Knox, one of my favorite real estate trainers. And he has that quote to just simply say, you don't have to know everything. You don't have to be the best real estate agent in the world, but you do have to show up. You do have to make those calls. You do have to do the open houses. You do have to make the follow-up calls, the emails. You do have to talk to your sphere of influence. You got to do the work. You can't just sit back and hope something's going to happen. You got to go out there and make it happen. So that's the number one tip that I like to give our new agents when they start here with our firm. You don't have to be great, you don't have to know everything, but you do have to be there. You have to show up, okay? So that's our tip number 10, and we've got 9 more coming over the next few weeks. So tune in to our YouTube channel and hope you can and get something out of these tips. So if there's anything we can do at Weichert to help you out, please let us know. You can call, text, or email. I'll put those right after the video here for you. And have a great week. Next week's Thanksgiving week, so enjoy the week, get some work done, get some studying done, and we'll talk to you next week. All right, thanks. Bye.